Hi everyone. In today's video I'm replacing, or should I say butchering, these front-end relay sockets. I had to use WD-40 to remove the relay from the socket because one of the connectors had welded itself to the relay quite badly. Removing these sockets is easy. Just push down two clips and then twist the socket anti-clockwise. Now remove one of the headlight adjuster knobs simply by pushing down two clips and pulling the knob. And here we can see a prime example of failed relay socket. Usually one of the connectors loses the contact and then it starts to sparking and melting everything around it. Now this is purely my speculation, but I believe that these sockets corrode because water, salt and dirt can get passed from these holes in the headlight assembly. And when these cars were new, there used to be a seal glued onto the grille and they always deteriorate over time and let all the crap pass. Okay, so let's get started. If you are confident enough, you can cut all the wires, but I'm not, and therefore I do this one by one and double check that everything is going where they should. And this is why I said earlier that I'm going to butcher these sockets. This was my first time using these type of crimping pliers and it shows. But that's not the only thing, because none of my local part suppliers weren't selling correct kind of blade terminals for these thin wires, and therefore I had to get creative with what I had. Now I'm gonna spare you from my awful tinkering, so let's skip a bit. And this is something that you should end up with. Now if you can get set of waterproof relay sockets, that would be the way to go, but in my case there were only one type of socket that I could get my hands on, so these have to do. Now do the same thing with headlight relay, and if your car is fitted with automatic daylights, you should have two other relays. Now I'm drilling out the old brackets and pop riveting new sockets in the place. Looking back, I think that this was a mistake, because if I want to remove the front end in the future, that means that I have to drill those rivets out, so therefore I would recommend using regular nuts and bolts instead. Connect the battery and check that everything is working as it should. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.